My coworker asked me how I made these dependent drop-down lists, so I showed him this. Select the first cell. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Choose List, then select the food categories. Select the second cell. Go back to the Data tab and click Data Validation. Choose List again, but this time, enter this formula. Now you have dependent drop-down lists. Like and follow for daily tips.